Hello, good people. Welcome to my today's tutorial. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you've been my subscriber to my channel, and I'll be much grateful. So today I'm going to talk about on how to make an interactive map chart in Google Sheet. That's what we are going to do because we have statistics here, and this statistic we want to present it in a map so that we are able to identify the countries or the locations very well on the map, and also we can be able to know the in terms of cases, in terms of the cases in regards to COVID-19 and the deaths. So this is something that I'm doing uh, for people who are much more in statistics or people who want to do data presentation using map. People normally do using the bar charts, the graph charts, and the pie chart. But today, I want us just to have a look on how also we can be able to present such kind of data in a map. So go to Insert, then go to Chart, click on Chart, then under Chart on your right hand side, there is a setup or the area where you can be able to edit or change the chart. So we go to down click on the chart type. Under the chart type, scroll downwards and we'll get our geo chart. So we have the first one is geo chart, the second one is geo chart with markers. So we are going to use the geo chart. So click on it and we have our map. But in any case you haven't highlighted, the statistics won't be well presented. What normally happens is the best way to capture the whole data is to highlight the columns. Once you highlight the columns, then go to insert, then chart, then go to chart types, change the chart type, then insert the geomap, right? Then have it aside. Then when you hover over your pointer on any country on the map, then you see your statistics is well presented. So here also go to the clock, the three dots, click on it, then go to, you can edit the map, you can delete the chart, you can download it and have it on in different formats, PNG, PDF, or scalable vector graphics. So all this you can be able to export your map and be able to have it maybe on a PowerPoint presentation. So that you are able to give much more explanation to what is happening on your map in regards to the given statistics. Then you can copy, you can move to your own chart. Click move to your own chart. We want it to be in a separate sheet. So go to edit. We want to edit our map a little bit. Go to custom. So when you go to custom, you can be able to change your color a little bit. We can change our color a little bit. There we go. The way you want. So let's say you want to populate and be able to have a good view of your map per the region. So what you do, you click on region. Under region, there is a down arrow. Click on it, then you can select Africa. You see, then you hover over your mouse pointer, then you can be able to really have a quick view of what is there. Remember, if you go back to your statistics and make any adjustment in here, then that will be populated automatically on the map as well. So you need not worry, all is well covered. So that's how you can be able to create or make an interactive map chart using or in a Google map. I hope this video is important or is so and you've learned something. Kindly continue to subscribe and leave a link to my other videos down below. Also, you can be able to watch and learn. Please continue to comment. Your comments are very important because through your comments, I'm able to know where the mistakes are and where to adjust. So I'll be glad I'll be able to read your comments and be able to respond. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.